Discover Liv Pure, your natural weight loss solution. Are you looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight? Look no further. In today's video, we will introduce you to Liv Pure, an all-natural weight loss supplement that could be the answer you've been searching for. Say goodbye to stubborn belly fat and hello to a healthier, slimmer you. What is Liv Pure? Liv Pure is a cutting-edge weight loss supplement that harnesses the power of natural ingredients to support your body's fat-burning processes. This unique formula focuses on improving liver health, as a healthy liver plays a crucial role in burning fat effectively. Unlike other supplements, Liv Pure is made with high-quality ingredients and prioritizes cleanliness and sanitation during production. How does Liv Pure work? Liv Pure targets the root cause of weight gain, particularly excess belly fat. Its natural ingredients stimulate the liver's ability to break down fats and improve overall liver function. When your liver is healthy, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, leading to weight loss. Plus, Liv Pure is free from any artificial substances, reducing the risk of dependency or harmful side effects. The benefits of Liv Pure. Liv Pure offers a range of benefits that can help you on your weight loss journey. Here are just a few. Improve liver health. Liv Pure supports your liver's ability to metabolize fat reserves and make better decisions about energy usage. Natural and safe. With its all-natural ingredients, Liv Pure is a safe option for long-term use without adverse effects. Enhanced overall well-being. Liv Pure not only aids weight loss but also promotes mental and cognitive health, reduces blood pressure, and provides antioxidant effects. Money-back guarantee. If you're not fully satisfied with Liv Pure, the manufacturer offers a refund, ensuring your satisfaction. Where to get Liv Pure? Ready to try Liv Pure for yourself? You can easily order it from the official website. Be cautious of counterfeit versions sold on unauthorized platforms to avoid scams. Stick to the official source to ensure you receive the genuine product. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and achieve a slimmer, healthier body, Liv Pure may be the natural solution you've been waiting for. Its unique formula, backed by natural ingredients and a focus on liver health, sets it apart from other weight loss supplements. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Don't wait any longer. Take control of your weight loss journey with Liv Pure today and witness the amazing results for yourself. Discover Liv Pure, your natural weight loss solution. Are you looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight?